Hey Divine One, thanks for joining me as I introduce you to the last inner child of the Inner Child Oracle card book. You can get yours in my bio. Today we have such a beauty. So take a big deep breath with me in through your nose, out through your mouth as you listen to what part of this message is for you. Today we have Penelope, card number 56, who represents Unworthy. Hi there, my name is Penelope. Although I don't really know why my parents bothered naming me. Ever since I can remember, I have sat here alone. I must have come broken because my parents don't love me the way other kids' parents do. Penelope represents the feelings of unworthiness that may lie deep within. These underlying beliefs may occasionally get poked with human interaction, causing you to feel alone, unlovable, and low. When you pull this card, it's important to tune in with this part of yourself and reassure them, her, or him. All of us are born pure, perfect, powerful beings. It is our interaction with unhealed humans that creates scars and thought patterns that aren't our own. The human mind doesn't perceive the magnificence of the soul within automatically. If you're feeling low and unworthy, it's important to seek help and support from mentors, coaches, and therapists. You are so loved, so perfect, so pure, even if you can't see it right now. Breathe into the warmth and love that resides deep within you. If you pull Penelope reverse, this card may signify that your inner child is beginning to heal this belief. Keep reassuring her, him, or them of their innate worthiness. Your mantra, I am worthy here and now. At my core, I am light. Remedies. Number 1, spend some time out in the sun today. Feel a connection to the warmth radiating through you. Number 2, put one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Envision your inner child and say out loud, I love you. I am so glad you exist. Thank you for being here. Do this daily until it feels true. Number 3, listen to this guided meditation. I'll put the link in the comments. Journaling questions. Number 1, when I think of unworthiness, I feel. Number 2, I remember feeling unworthy as a child when. And number 3, I feel unworthy when. I hope that you could take some parts of Penelope's journey with you. Let me know what resonated. And as always, breathe deep and plan on miracles.